Hi everyone, good morning. It is Monday the 8th of January and assignment 2 is due this afternoon for most of you. I'm just checking in to see how you're all going and to give you a bit of a motivational boost as we head into the rest of the teaching period. So many of you will have handed in assignment 2 already, and some of you will be madly working on it. I've had a few emails today, and then others will have extensions. So feel free to keep posting your questions on the discussion forums or emailing me, of course. So we're moving into a new part of the teaching period now, our final theme, so we're almost there, and assignment 3 is really exciting. It has a video component, so that's certainly going to challenge some of you, but I have always loved seeing this part of the assessment as I get to meet you. Now our UC Amanda has released the Flipped Collaborative, and that's a wonderful resource, and also the Q&A Collaborative is on the 18th of January at 8 p.m. and I hope to see you all there. A reminder that assignment 2 is worth 40% of your unit grade and assignment 3 is worth 40% of your unit grade. So I just thought that I would give you a quick tour around our discussion forums because I've placed so many helpful resources in there. Now with the assignment, with assignment 3, the presentation of a unit of work, it's very important that you look at the details. I had a listen to the Flipped Collaborative this morning and it is really fantastic, so clear and concise, and definitely the place to start. Then there's the assignment overview. Now with this first criteria, there is no need to address specific motor skills in this unit outline because that has been addressed in the first 2 assignments, and you are focusing on health in this assignment, the personal, social and community health strand. Okay, and there's 2 parts to it, your unit of work outline and your presentation, and the word limit and the time limit is very important for both because of course there is only an upper 10% plus limit for both. Now I just wanted to go to our discussion forums. I have 4 groups. I'm just going to visit one group because the resources are the same in each group. So I'll just visit one of my groups. Now in important updates, there's lots of resources in there to support you. Now Studiosity is a fantastic resource to support you in completing your assignment. So I would support some of you using that. I've made comments on assignment 1 and you can certainly use that for written aspects of your assignments. Something new that I put up is this one this morning, Welcome to Week 8. That's about the student coaches. So the student coaches are fantastic to help keep you motivated, and if you're really having some issues with time management and need some extra support, I would encourage you to contact them. So you can see there's lots of resources in the important updates. I also like to post things in extra resources. So I've got a quiz here. This is about the area of meeting APA standards, which I found was somewhat of an issue for many students in assignment 1. So I've got a little quiz here which no one has completed, so it would be great if you had a go because I have highlighted the key areas that I found needed addressing in assignment 1. This is a well-being infographic that was placed on the teachermagazine.com.au website, and it's just got some handy reminders that we need to ensure that we are looking after our own well-being as we juggle study and work and family and everything like that. And it's very appropriate as we move into our final theme. This is a referencing resource because with our assignments, focusing on academic writing is very important. So this has some good tips about needing to cite all of the information that is included in your assignment. This is a quick little picture on critical thinking, and as you engage further with a wide range of scholarly resources, it usually does mean that you are incorporating more critical thinking into your assignments, and that will help support reaching the higher grades in the rubric. And this is a video resource that I posted from the student portal on APA referencing style. And as you progress through this unit, your standard of referencing should actually improve because ideally you'll be taking on board the feedback that is given in each assignment. Now, there's the Q&A for assignment 3. This is where you will be posting your questions. You can see that some people have already started posting. I have put in there a unit plan template that was mentioned in the Flipped Collaborative. So that's in there. That is a resource. You're welcome to use any unit planning template that suits you. And there's the social space. I think there's a little activity in here, welcome back from the new year. So I posted what I did in the new year, and it is important to promote the social aspects of the forum because that enables us to get to know each other better and to support collaboration. So this is me at the theme parks at Movie World, and that was good fun. And that's the trampoline that I put together on Christmas Day. So I welcome you to share your pictures, and some students have done that on the forums in my other groups. So that's under the social space tab. And I think there might be nothing here in general Q&A. Okay, so I just wanted to go over the activities for these final few weeks because it's very, very important that you engage with the activities. So if we go back to the modules, I'll be able to show you weeks 8, 9, 10, 11 because they're directly applicable to assignment 3. So assignment 3 will address a unit of work based on one of 4 focus areas: food and nutrition, well-being and mental health, informed choices, alcohol and drugs, or relationships and sexual health. So you choose a content area out of one of those 4 focus areas and you design your unit of work around that. And in week 8, in this food and nutrition module, there's some very relevant information on health in the Australian curriculum and our program planning in health education. And I have to move myself so I can get to the next tab. As you go through these modules, you'll see that there are heaps and heaps of really fantastic resources, so additional resources. So if you're doing a topic on food and nutrition, for example, you can see that there's all these fantastic resources here for you. And then when you do the activity, that's going to help you with your unit planning. And it would be wonderful to see more students engaging on the discussion forums because then we can share ideas. So here it talks about assignment 3 and gives you some tips, and then we move into the next topic, well-being and mental health. So once again, if you're doing that topic, there's some fantastic additional resources. See, there's the essential reading, and then there's some additional resources for you. So I would really encourage you to go through and check out all the resources in those modules, and then you can seek out some extra resources such as journal articles for your assignment, because it does need to be supported by a range of scholarly literature. So I will be marking assignments from tonight. I will be very busy for the next couple of weeks, but I will be checking my discussion forums each day because I like to do that, and my emails, except for Saturday when I take a bit of a break, so you can be assured that I am here to support you. So it's been great chatting. I hope you enjoy my video, and I will post this on the discussion forums, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye!